Hi, it's Actress from Midshire TV, and today we'll be showing you how to add and manage a user on the HostX Portal. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is log into your company account. Now if you don't know your login credentials, please contact your system administrator. We'll start off by showing you how to add a user.
Click on the Users tab. Once opened, you'll be able to see all the users who are currently assigned to your company account. To add a user, click on Add or hover over Users and click on Add User. Click on the drop-down menu by site and select your site. Enter the user's details below under Account Details. Once completed, click on Create and Continue. If you require the user to have a DDI, please select one, and then depending on the extension list layout, you can assign them an extension number of your choosing. Once done, press Continue. From here, you can select the optional extras you'd like your user to have. Typically, a lot of people choose voicemail. Select the ones you have available to you and press Save and Continue. Then, you can turn on or off the access and permissions for the user by simply clicking on the options. When you're happy, click on Continue. And finally, if your user has a handset, select the drop-down menu by device profile and assign the user the handset which you'd like them to use. These are listed by MAC addresses, which you can find on the sticker at the back of the phone. Once done, click on Finish and Show List. If the user doesn't have a handset, click on Continue without device and the user will be created.
So, you know how to add a user, but you also want to know how to manage and edit a user's profile. Well, let us show you how.
Click on User and choose List Users. Then next to the user's name, select Edit. That will open the user's profile. If you click on DDI, it will show you the user's DDI, extension and presentation name. Under Services, you can assign optional extras to the user and see the features that the user has. In Call Setup, you can manage the incoming calls, outgoing calls, in-call options, and the settings. We will touch on this in a future video, so make sure to subscribe so you don't miss it. In Permissions, you can turn on or off the user's access or permissions to however you choose. In Phone, it will show you the user's device details, and you can also manage their soft clients by clicking on Manage Soft Client, which will open up a menu where you can activate or deactivate soft clients, request to reset their password, etc. From the Phone menu, you can also change the codec, change the device, and unassign the device from the user. Under Barring, you can see the call plan options you have. One menu for when making a call and another menu for when transferring or diverting a call. If you'd like to make a change, you have to click on Override Site Call Plan and then select the options you'd like to turn on or off, and when happy, click on Save.
So there you have it. You should now be able to add and manage a user using the HostX Portal. Now guys, if you did enjoy this video, make sure you give it a like and subscribe. And if you require any further training, please check out the training videos or give us a call on 08000 322 322. Thank you for watching guys. Have a great day, and just remember, we are the business communication experts.